What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to deal with math and chemistry question, start now by subscribing this channel and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. This video I want to show you how to solve this trigonometric equation, which is 2 cosine theta plus 1 equals to 0. And we need to solve it for theta between 0 and 2 pi. The first thing I'm going to do, I want to isolate cosine, so it's going to be cosine 2 cosine theta equals to -1, so cosine theta will be equal to -1/2. We know cosine pi over 3 equals to +1/2, and we can relate it to the theta. So that will be, cosine is negative in quadrant 2 and in quadrant 3 based on the cast rule. Cast rule is saying that the cosine is negative in quadrant 2 and quadrant 3. So how do you find this angle here? This one and this one. It has to be related to pi over 3. So this one is pi over 3. This part is pi over 3 as well. So the first angle is going to be pi minus pi over 3, and the second one is going to be pi plus pi over 3. So the two numbers is going to be pi minus pi over 3, and the other one pi plus pi over 3. So that make it 2 pi over 3, and here this one is going to be 4 pi over 3. So we have 2 pi over 3, and here we have 4 pi over 3. In case we want to convert it to degrees, that's going to make it 120, and this one is going to be 240. So these are the two answers to this question. So that's all. So we have the answers in radian and also in degrees. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I get back to you as soon as possible. I will leave some related videos and playlists in the description in case you need extra help and you want to have more practical example. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, like it and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.